Here we go. This is the Jonas, Winter Storm Jonas 2016. Highlands. This is the garage. I walked here for a mile and the garage got plastered pretty good. Nice clean snow. This is Raritan Bay. That's a nor'easter out there, slamming straight ahead. Marina, looking for signs of flooding. So far, that snow's not wet, so it didn't get this high. Tides are supposed to be 3 foot to 4 foot above normal. That means about 8 to 9 feet. There is evidence of flooding in the street, but it's not so bad here. My wood is still here. Debris, none of it floated out. It's still here. That's the town. They're out plowing. There's a general travel ban. That's the Highlands up there. That blurry, windy mass. Well, God bless them. Out doing a job. You can see the Bejer's house. I don't see any evidence of flooding. There's definitely water in the street though. Alright, I'm going to go upstairs. Let's check it out. Before we do, let's take a segue to the detour over to the foyer. Okay, wheelbarrow fell over last night. Yep, should have covered it. Got plastered, pretty good too. Yeah, pretty good. A lot of snow in the house. The other indicator of flooding is the shed, and everything looks bone dry back here. No water, could have left everything in the shed after all. Bone dry. Bone dry. And you can see water under the nothing. Looks good. We're gonna get more flooding though. Let's go up top, see what we got. Okay, here we go. Okay, a lot of snow in here. First floor. A lot of snow. Okay, up and over. Up. See, go. Okay. That's what happens when you don't have windows. Okay. That's the Raritan Bay. That's a blizzard. Quite a mess out there. 50 gusts, 40 to 50 gusting. Yeah. One more floor. Better ladder. A little sturdier. Okay, second floor. It's quite a drift in the kitchen. Hallway. Raritan Bay, it's blowing. We got one more. We got about another 12 hours of this. Yeah, that's where the slider's gonna go. Take a view from the slider. Yeah, there it is. straight on from the bedroom. Yep. Okay, that's a great view out of the kitchen, and that's where all the snow's gathering. Nice view of the Highlands up there. There you go. Nice view. Okay, let's see what else we can see from up here. Okay, water's flooding too bad. Let's check out number